Hi guys, this is 94 Honda Civic. So we're going to replace for today for the CV boot. You can see in here the CV boot is broken, so we need to replace this boot. So I got the new boot. Here's the CV boot. This one going to here, coming to the clips and the one grease and the boot. So we have to off this nut, the axle nut, that's a 32mm socket, and we have to off this caliper and fold down that side. Okay, this one is a caliper board is a 12. Okay, we need to off this 17mm the ball joint ball. Okay, now hit the axle. Okay, I'm going to off the circlip. Okay, tap the boot. Okay, let's take it out. So it looks like inside. It's a broken boot. It's another lock in the back. After that, we clean the axle shaft. So you can see the clearly in the one snap ring here. So okay, it's like a push like this. Okay, first I put this ring back here. So boot is alright. It's fixed properly. After that we put the boot in here, careful in the snap ring. Put all the way down. Okay. So this snap ring is going to lock in here, inside here. So I put the grease on it now. Okay, I put the nut in back here. Okay, like this. Now going to install it. I put a little bit grease in here. Okay, you can see the Civic joint going all the way in. Okay, you can put the boot in. Okay, you can feel the hand little bit play inside. You can front and back. Okay, we're going to install the clip. You can see. Okay. Okay, after that this piece we can cut it. Okay, same thing that one. So after that we're going to install the Civic axle on here. Okay guys, finally we tied for the 32mm axle bolt, and here the bottom ball joint and the caliper. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.